Culture and Gender Minister Olivia Grange says more persons should be able to enjoy Grand Gala this year. The government is expanding the viewing experience for persons who turn up at Independence Park. Details in this report.
In 2 weeks, Jamaicans will celebrate the nation's 64th year of independence. And the Culture Minister Olivia Grange says planning is underway to meet increased demand for tickets to the big event, Grand Gala.
As we don't have enough space in the stadium. So we are going to do an extension in the National Arena and the Indoor Center, where if you can't get into the stadium, we will give you a ticket to get into the Indoor Center and the National Arena, where you could watch the events on big screen and enjoy Independence Village.
The Grand Gala will be complemented by events such as the Festival Queen competition and Mellow Round. Persons who plan to celebrate in other ways during the August 1 to 6 Emancipendence period also now have the chance to party for longer in designated spaces.
Very soon, in Olympic Gardens, on their hip strip, it will be declared an entertainment zone. We are looking at creating entertainment zones across the corporate area, in Kingston and St. Andrew, and across the island, where you can party all night and nobody no come lock you off. Right?
The minister gave the update while speaking at a JLP1 area meeting in St. Andrew on Thursday evening. She also used the event to address the incidents of domestic abuse in the country. Some attacks against women in particular have turned deadly.
We are about to open our third shelter to keep women in a safe space when they want to get out of an abusive situation. And I'm going to use the opportunity to say to the men that you must protect your women. Don't beat them if you have an argument. Care for them. Because the women in this country, they are the backbone of Jamaica.